Is anyone here?
Hello, stranger. I can smell you. Let's play. I promise it will be interesting.
Oh, where is she? Maybe she left?
It's okay though.
Mom, did you change the Wi-Fi password? Oh, yeah, I did. The new password is 123456. Okay, thanks. It didn't work. Huh? What did you type? 123456. No, it's 123456.
Dang, my Wi-Fi went out. What am I gonna do now? I guess I could go outside. Oh, are those trees? Oh, look at the bird. Oh, nature. It's just so disgusting. I'm going back inside.
Open the door!
Wait a minute. Who are you? Gotcha! Come on. So easy.
What? It's gonna be bad. He takes something secret. I need to know what it is. Where did he go? I need it. Take it back.
Skibbity, skibbity, skibbity. Skibbity, skibbity, skibbity.
Gotcha!
Skibbity.
Oops. Let's get out of here. He is chasing me. I needed cover. Good ending.
I'm stuck. Hey, Mommy, can you help me?
Oh no! No, wait a second.
Wait, no, wait, no! Oh, I can't get out.
No, I'll get you out. No. Come on.
Hey! What's going on here?
Help me get the player out.
Okay. We need to turn the lever. Yeah, come on.
Come on. Come on. No,
wait,
Angus,
no! Wait, no! I'm cool, Bunny. Ooh, my sweet carrot.
It's okay though.
Yay!
Mommy didn't deserve that. How dare you back to me! Mommy doesn't like scissors. Mommy gets too much.
Take it. It's okay though.
Step on a crack and you break your mama's back.
Oh my God! Honey, stop playing! For the love of God, stop playing!
Step on a line and you break your father's spine.
Oh, my spine!
Men should stay in the kitchen because it's cool king, not cool queen.
Well, it's dishwash her, not dishwash him.
Oh, but it's kitchen, not kitchen.
In that case, I guess you're not talking, walking, gawking, thinking, blinking then.
Chill, it's just a joke.
Joe King.
I am the one.
No.
What have you done? You make me proud of you.
question.
You don't have to answer that. Amanda.
Huh?
It's okay, though. Take it.
Uh-oh.
Something's wrong here. Who would do such a thing? What happened here? How'd you get over here?
Mommy almost dragged me away with her. Get me out here.
How did I get you out? What should I do?
Do you see the lever? You need to release.
I can lower the level.
Oh no! Hurry up, Poppy! He is coming! Get me out here! He's getting closer, Poppy! No! No, Poppy! Don't leave me with him, Poppy! Poppy, lower the lever! Ah! Poppy, where are you? Ah! Please, no, God! Please, no!
Who's chasing us? Why is he chasing us?
I don't know! Mommy! Come on! Run faster!
Catch us up, player! Faster!
I see! I'm running as hard as I can! Mommy! I fell!
Good luck, player!
Huh? No! No! Wait! Stay away from me! No! No! Mommy! Get me out! Mommy! Get me out!
2 birds, 1 stone. Nice.